Ladies and gentlemen, COVID-19 and the extreme events of the past years reminded us that human health, animal and plant health, and our environment are intrinsically linked. Consequently, our health policy should not be limited to purely biomedical, preventive or curative care. Our health policy must also take into account the effects of climate change, exposure to pollutants, chemicals, air and water quality, biodiversity loss, and not least zoonosis. In the last 3 decades, 75% of the newly discovered human pathogens originated in animals. You know the examples besides COVID: Ebola virus disease, Lyme disease, pandemic flu, HIV/AIDS. Zoonotic diseases form the majority of the emerging diseases, hence why, as Minister of Public Health, I'm strongly convinced of the One Health agenda. We need to find a way forward to better tackle the root causes of these emerging diseases, and we need to make sure that in doing so we improve human, animal and ecosystem health synergetically. The Budapest Conference, organized in July by WHO Europe, adopted a ministerial declaration which includes a series of important commitments. The main message is that environment and health ministers are aware of the close connection between public health and the triple crisis of climate change, environmental pollution and biodiversity loss. They are committed to addressing them, both in terms of prevention and preparation for the consequences. To improve international cooperation on One Health and strengthen capacities worldwide for diseases detection and surveillance within the One Health approach, we are actively advocating for ambitious provisions in the pandemic treaty which is currently being negotiated. Our hope is that this treaty will create a strong international framework to foster the One Health approach worldwide. At the national level, there's also work to be done, and we very much welcome the efforts of everyone involved in Belgian One World, One Health vision and in PREZODE. I therefore wish you fruitful discussions today, and I'm looking forward to receiving your recommendations.